Hi, my name is Anthony Herbert, and this is the Learn Python Request course. This course will teach you the essentials of one of the most important libraries in Python, requests. This course is for anyone who wants to learn how to integrate third-party APIs into their app. This course will give you all the knowledge necessary to do just that. In the course, I'll give you an overview of how requests and APIs work on the web. Then I'll show you how to use the request library itself. And then finally, I'll give you some examples of how to connect to APIs on the web. Make sure you look down below to see a list of all the videos that are in the course and also to view some preview videos from the course. I look forward to seeing you inside of this course. Thanks.